Hello everybody, today we make a nice easy dish. Okay, everybody ask me, Pasquale, why you not make this dish? And today we make Baked Ziti. Look how beautiful. I cook already, and this is already the go. Now, we got a fresh ricotta. I got a parsley from my garden. I got grana padano cheese. I use 1 egg. And I got mozzarella. And I got the meat sauce. This is my homemade sauce. The meat is a mix. I pour the pork and a little beef. What is the beef? Together with the pork. And I make meat sauce. When I did the meat sauce, I was use white wine, or you can use red wine. I like red wine, like this wine over here, and I'm drinking the wine. Now we do the mix, and we start with the ricotta. Look how beautiful this ricotta. Wow, fresh ricotta. And we start break the ricotta. Okay, look how nice this ricotta, really, really good. Okay, now I got 1 egg, and we put the egg over here, and we scramble the egg like this. All right, and now you can go everything. Now we got a little parsley. Now we got the cheese, grana padano. I put that much over here. I like to put on the top when I mix everything together. You can use Parmigiano cheese. You can use pecorino cheese. It's good. Now we use mozzarella. Okay. And we mix the mozzarella all together. All right, now I like to put a little meat sauce inside, mix it together. And we put 1 and 2 scoops. And now we mix really, really good. Okay, see, got a stock over here. Make sure to clean up everything good. All right, and now we mix it again. All right, and now this is done. I like to keep a couple of spoons like this on this bowl. I want to use at the end this on the top. Okay, now we put the ziti together over here with the ricotta. All right. And now we do nice mix. I was cook this ziti al dente. This you gotta cook the ziti when you cook 11 minutes, but I was cook only for 9 minutes. And now one time like this, the ziti, we put a little bit more sauce inside. Okay, and now we give another mix really, really good. Okay, now we gotta fix the big dish over here. And what I do, I put a little sauce on the bottom of the dish, like this. And we put the baked ziti. Now the baked ziti, what I do this way. I put half on the dish now. Okay, we put this over here, and we put nice done like that. Okay, and we put little sauce on the top like this, and we put mozzarella, little grana padano. Okay, and now we put the rest of the ziti right on the top. Okay, we clean the parts over here. You got all the good stuff over here. And now we fix it nice, like this. And I got the oven on already at 400 degrees. Okay, now On the top, I want a little extra. That's why I was keep like this. And I put little extra ricotta right on the top. I want to do really, really like that. And we spread all over the place. And we put little tomato on the top. And look at the meat sauce. It's so good. And plus my homemade sauce. Now, this you gotta go in the oven for 20-25 minutes. One time at 25 minutes, what I do, I take it out. And I put the cheese, the grana padano and the mozzarella. Okay, see, you put this now on the top of the mozzarella and the cheese, it burn everything. Because the mozzarella melt, if that's not good. The mozzarella, you gotta stay in the oven only for 10 minutes. Now I got the oven, like I say, on for 400 degrees, and let's go, and we put this in the oven. Okay, good. And we check when it be nice color, we put the mozzarella and the grana padano. Beautiful. Okay, now it's 20 minutes, and let's see my Baked Ziti. It look beautiful. Look at that. All right. And we put a cheese. This is the grana padano cheese. Okay, good. Now, mozzarella. Okay, now we put it back in the oven and wait the mozzarella. When it melts beautiful, we take it out. Okay, let's close. Okay, time to take out. It gotta look beautiful. And look at this. Now we gotta leave it rest. After we cut and we eat. Okay, now you relax and let's try. And the mozzarella look really good. Let's take one piece. Oh, beautiful. Look at this, a nice look. Now, it's time of the taste. But before I taste, little my parsley from my garden. Look how beautiful look now. Watch Pasquale, now it's really hot. I can eat this all by myself. Really, really good. It's delicious. And with a little wine, I want to say salute chin chin. This, it's my wine. Look at this. You look at my sette stelle, 7-star chin chin. E salute everybody. I hope you like this dish. It's delicious. Chin chin. E salute everybody. Chin chin. Oh, so good. Really, really.